Hello everyone! I want to have a little bit of fun and I want to try something different. So this is going to be done in 2 major steps and then the flood coat later. If you've got tiles, then you could skip this step completely, but I don't have any and I don't want to buy any and I'm too impatient. I want to try this now. So I have mixed the premium epoxy resin and the jet black. Both come from Just For You Online UK, as well as those 4 coaster molds. So all I'm going to do is put some of this black resin in each of these molds and then let them cure. So this step, nothing complicated. Share the resin equally in between your 4 molds so they have the same depth. Fill them first and then you can add more to each mold if you need to, or to finish up your resin. Quick heat. These will cure and I will show you the second step once they are cured in 24 hours. These are now cured and I want to take them out of their molds. Place them on a support and I'm going to scotch tape, the sides, because I want to protect the bottom, and this will be quicker than using latex. It means I can work immediately as opposed to using latex, which will mean that I've got to wait until the latex cures. So nothing complicated about this process. Whoops, unless you just have hands that don't function. So just position your tape. More difficult with gloves. Press it down and there's a hair. And press it down well, otherwise there's absolutely no point doing it. That's one done, and I'll do the others and come back to you. All 4 coasters are now taped, and I have mixed with the premium epoxy resin from Just For You Online UK, 3 colors, the floating gold, precious gold floating pigment powder, the supreme white, and jet black again. So what I want to do is recover these coasters with a layer of black. And now I want to put some color in the middle. I've got little pieces of paper. And now heat. Once they're dried, cured, I will do a flood coat and that will be them done. So I'll see you for the flood coat. These have now cured and all I have to do is flood coat them. So I'm using heat resist resin from Just For You Online UK, and you've seen me do this before. And I don't have to be so careful with this because the sides are protected. So I'm not worried if it goes over the sides.